Rich Dad Poor Dad, authored by Robert Kiyosaki, is a highly regarded book that everyone aiming to break free from the confines of a traditional 9 to 5 job or aspiring to become genuinely wealthy should consider reading. The book draws a clear distinction between superficial wealth and true financial independence. It emphasizes that many individuals labeled as wealthy may appear affluent on the outside but are often financially empty on the inside. This book aims to educate readers on the fundamental principles of wealth building that can lead to financial freedom. Introduction to Robert Kiyosaki's insightful journey. Robert Kiyosaki shares a pivotal moment from his youth. Growing up, he noticed that wealthier peers enjoyed vacations in lavish beach houses while he was left out due to his family's financial standing. Feeling dejected, he approached his father and asked him how one can become rich. However, Kiyosaki's father could not provide a satisfactory answer. After some contemplation, he advised Robert to learn how to make money, pointing out that true wealth doesn't merely come from a paycheck. This experience ignited Kiyosaki's quest for financial education and literacy. The following day, he, along with his friend Mike, devised a scheme to make money by creating counterfeit coins. Their ambitious idea was quickly shut down by Mike's dad, who advised them that such actions were illegal. Instead, he suggested they seek knowledge from a more affluent source, his own father, whom they referred to as Rich Dad. This marks the beginning of Kiyosaki's financial education journey, where he learned valuable lessons about wealth from his rich dad, contrasting with the traditional beliefs upheld by his poor dad. The core lessons of financial literacy. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki shares 6 essential rules concerning money, providing insights that can help individuals attain financial independence. Lesson 1: The rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki asserts that the majority of people are trapped in a cycle of working for money, spending years pursuing higher degrees, acquiring jobs, and then spending their salaries on loans and liabilities. They exhaust themselves in a race to pay off mortgages and car loans while unknowingly benefiting others. Many wish to escape this race, but it often becomes too late, thrusting them into a cycle of fear and responsibility. In contrast, rich individuals allow their money to work for them. They invest wisely, creating sources of passive income, which significantly alters their financial trajectory compared to those stuck in traditional employment models. Lesson 2: Financial education is crucial. The traditional education system prepares individuals to become good employees rather than wealthy individuals. Kiyosaki advocates for financial education, stressing the importance of understanding assets and liabilities. Assets are investments that put money in your pocket, while liabilities draw money out. For instance, purchasing a rental property is considered an asset because it generates income, while buying a car on loan may qualify as a liability since it incurs debt without producing income. Kiyosaki encourages readers to focus on accumulating assets and minimizing liabilities to build real wealth. Lesson 3: Focus on your own business. A fundamental mistake many individuals make is defining themselves solely by their jobs, such as being a banker or teacher, while neglecting the importance of cultivating their own businesses or investments. Kiyosaki challenges readers to think about what they are doing to create wealth for themselves. He emphasizes the necessity of diverting energy into building one's own income-generating assets rather than predominantly working to enrich others. Consider starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or developing skills that could produce additional income streams. Lesson 4: Work to learn, not just to earn. Kiyosaki describes how his father worked tirelessly while constantly worried about job security, showcasing a common mindset. The contrast lies in his rich dad's philosophy, who believed that an individual should focus on learning and growing through experiences rather than solely earning a paycheck. Rich Dad emphasized the importance of embracing learning opportunities that can lead to better understanding and management of finances. The wealthy prioritize acquiring skills and knowledge, which enables them to establish their own profitable ventures. Lesson 5: Overcoming Obstacles to Wealth. Kiyosaki highlights 5 key obstacles that hinder people from achieving wealth. Fear. Many individuals fear losing their money, which prevents them from making investments or taking necessary risks. Doubt. Self-doubt often stops people from pursuing business opportunities or investments, leading to stagnation in financial growth. Laziness. Procrastination is a common barrier. People often convince themselves that there is no urgency to start planning for financial security, thus delaying important actions. Bad habits. Poor financial practices, like spending before saving and investing, keeps people trapped in poverty. Rich individuals prioritize their investments first. Inability to share skills. Poor individuals often withhold their knowledge from others out of fear of competition, while the wealthy collaborate and learn from one another, continuously improving their financial acumen. Acknowledging and addressing these barriers are essential steps for anyone seeking to enhance their financial situation. Lesson 6: Building Financial Independence. Ultimately, building financial independence involves embracing a mindset of continuous growth and learning. Kiyosaki encourages readers to take charge of their financial futures by acquiring knowledge, sharing insights, and fostering a network of like-minded individuals. This mindset shift can lead individuals toward a path of abundance rather than scarcity. Conclusion: Rich Dad Poor Dad serves as a powerful beacon for those seeking to shift their perspectives on money and wealth. Kiyosaki's lessons challenge conventional notions about employment, financial literacy, and wealth building. By emphasizing the importance of financial education, entrepreneurial thinking, and overcoming psychological barriers, Kiyosaki equips readers with the tools they need to forge their own paths to financial success. The book is more than just a guide to making money, it is an invitation to transform one's beliefs about wealth and to take deliberate steps toward achieving financial empowerment. Everyone should consider embracing Kiyosaki's insights so that they too can change their mindset about money and ultimately achieve their financial dreams. In closing, I encourage you to explore this book further, as it has the potential to radically change your understanding of wealth and finance. If you found this summary enlightening, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time.